Hey, this Sunshine here in my hands today. I have my favorite subscription box in the entire world. That is right. Here in my hands, I have my Quirky Crate box, and we're gonna unbox it together. I just got it in the mail today. I am on it. We are on it. I'm wearing my Quirky Crate jacket. Everything is good. So if you have never been here on my channel before, what is up? I hope you're doing well. Welcome. I hope you're having a grand day. But you have been missing out on Quirky Crate, so you should stay a while, learn about this box, get yourself signed up, get joy delivered straight to your doorstep every month. Okay, so Quirky Crate is a monthly subscription box. I will have a code for a discount that will pop up right here off of your first month's Quirky Crate box if you sign up today. I love Quirky Crate for so many reasons, but let's talk about what Quirky Crate is for a second. Quirky Crate is a monthly subscription box. In each box, you will get a purse, you'll get a pair of socks, you'll get a piece of flair, and you'll get some other fun items. This is my Quirky Crate jacket. I haven't updated it with pins. Finished updating it with pins. It's taken me a while to get around to that. I updated it recently. I put on like 2 pins. Don't even probably notice the difference, but this is my jacket. It has all of the Quirky Crate flair that I have ever received, minus like a couple months worth of flair. I am promising you guys I'm going to get around to that very, very, very soon. I love the purses that I get inside of my Quirky Crate because they remind me so much of the aesthetic of Betsy Johnson, who is my all-time favorite designer. Also, you get a pair of socks. I love the socks that I get in my Quirky Crate because when you pull them, they aren't that cheap fabric that turns white when you pull them. It seems like these socks are actually like, the patterns on the socks are actually a part of the sock. If that makes any sense, I don't know. Let's get into this bad boy. I love this box. Okay, opening it up, we have the Yes and Joy sticker on it. Okay, I have no idea what this month's theme is. This is the October box, but since Quirky Crate is wonderful, they actually sent out the Quirky Crate, the Halloween box in last month's Quirky Crate. So this box isn't going to be Halloween themed, but there's one thing that I always forget to say when I want to say it. And I also love Quirky Crate because they feature an underground artist in each month's box. You will have a little piece of information on the card letting you know about the underground artist, and you'll usually have a piece of something that they make in the box. So with that said, let's get into this bad boy. It seems like this one is a food theme from what I can see. I am very curious to see what this is. It really caught my attention. So I was like, is it a mask? Is it a halter top? Will we ever know? I think it honestly might be like a fruit bag or something like that. So market tote. Okay. Yes, we do have 2 separate straps. Does it have struts? I love trying different drinks, so I'll like stock up if I ever find anything new. Or just a small trip to the grocery store. Cute. I like it. It's very different than what Quirky Crate normally sends out, so I applaud you guys for that. Let's see what else we got. We have these Pip stickers. Oh my gosh. I love stickers so much. These are so cute. Oh, I love the holographic. These take me back to like my childhood. My mom was a professional scrapbooker, and she would get so many PR packages delivered from all of these different sticker brands, and I would just sit there and I would just put stickers on whatever I was allowed to put stickers on. I love stickers so much. Alrighty. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this piece of flair. It is a piece of pizza that says True Love. What is your favorite pizza? Let's talk about that for a second. What is your favorite pizza? What are your favorite pizza toppings? I know that some people will probably think that this is really weird, but my all-time favorite pizza is chicken Caesar salad pizza. There's a local pizza shop around me that changed my life about pizza. When I first saw it, I was like, who would put lettuce on a pizza? That is disgusting. And then I tried a bite because if I think something's gross, of course I'm going to try it because what if it changes my life? And this pizza did. And it's basically is pizza dough, Caesar dressing, romaine lettuce, Parmesan, and chicken. And it is so amazing. And then my second favorite type of pizza would have to be crab pizza, which is just like crab dip on pizza. I do like pineapple on my pizza. I'm sorry. I don't know. I just enjoy it. But I can't wait to hear like all of these different toppings or what is your favorite weird pizza or anything like that in the comments down below. The next thing I'm pulling out are these super duper cute socks. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. This is, I like pizza as more than a friend. Oh, those are so freaking cute. I love these. I don't know why, but they kind of just sent me back to like Toy Story kind of vibe here. No idea why. What else do we have? Is this an egg hat? Are you serious? Oh my goodness. I think that this is an egg hat. That is so different, honestly, for a Halloween costume though. I wouldn't be mad at it. It has a very interesting texture. I don't know how to describe it. It's like rough and soft at the same time. I don't know if I have the... It doesn't have any stretch to it, so I'm just assuming it's a hat. Lady Gaga. Am I Lady Gaga? How do I even put this on? Do I do it like this? Bougie. Do I look okay in it? Do I look cute? I would wear this as a Halloween costume, like a last minute Halloween costume. Be like, yeah, I have egg. I don't know if this is even how you properly wear it. I'm just assuming so, but I'm going to keep it on for the rest of the review. Okay, I didn't think that this would be the thing. I didn't even know this was in here, and I didn't think that I would lose my mind over a pen, but I am losing my mind over this Xoxo pen. Look at it. Oh my goodness, that is so freaking cute. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. Look at it. Let's all like appreciate him and love him and accept him on our family. Oh my gosh, I love you. You're so cute. Okay, I'm honestly sad because like the last thing that I have in here is the purse, which, okay, I'm not going to say that I'm sad that it's the purse. I'm just sad at this box. I love this box. It takes it so long to get here and then it's gone in a minute. We have a little taco purse. It's so cute. Let's see what our taco toppings are. Let's see what our taco toppings are. I see we got some ground beef. We got some ground beef right here. We got some cheese. We got some salsa. We got some lettuce or it could be avocado. I'm not exactly sure. We got some meat right here. But where's the sour cream? That's what I'm asking. I love sour cream on my tacos and burritos. What are your favorite toppings? We're learning so much about each other. I'm excited for this. This is cute, very different. Do I look cute? Okay, so let's talk about pricing. I'm really sad because I feel like that just went just like that. The taco purse has a retail value of $35. The True Love enamel pin has a retail value of $10. The Primitives by Kathy socks have a retail value of $9.50. The sushi pen has a retail value of $3.75. The egg beret has a retail value of $25. The Pip stickers have a retail value of $3, and the Farmer's Market tote has a retail value of $5, with a total value of this box being $91.25. So that is everything that I got in my October Quirky Crate. What was your favorite item in this month's box? Mine is definitely, absolutely, without a doubt, the sushi pen. I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.